folks. In the next part of our little chicken series we've got going here. Now, I'm going to tell you now, back when we used to have these chicken tunnels, it was at the old house. We didn't have a whole lot of room for chickens. We didn't have a big area for a chicken coop like we do now. But these are real handy. I've got some pictures to go along with it. You just use regular utility wire, and you can either just cut it to where you can use the ends and then curl them up. Hold this, Dan. You can just put it in there like this here, and then just bend that over like that. Or if you happen to have these rabbit hutch clips, you can get these at most feed stores. You just take that there, you hook it into your little thing like that there. You'll hold it up here to the thing. Oh, okay. That'll hook around there like that. Either way will work fine. Here we got a little praying mantis cocoon there. Then what you do after you put it together, I'll show you in some of the pictures. You can just cut you a hole in the side of your chicken fence there. Put this up. Make sure you fasten it there good. And then what you do, you close off the end. And you can make these as long as you want. After you get it put together, let them eat that down a little bit. They just go in through, no predators can get to them. And then you just pick it up, slide it to the side, just let them keep eating the grass. But no, folks, this here is a good way. You know where your ladies are, your hens. Around here, like I said, the biggest things we've got, bobcats. We spotted a bobcat a while back. And the foxes, coyotes, raccoons are bad. They'll kill just for fun. Minks, weasels. We've got quite a bit of different predators for chickens around. And that possum, we had a possum one night get one of our hens out here at the barn. And bears, now I'm going to tell you, if a bear comes along, this fence here ain't going to stop it. It might give you enough time to get outside with a gun, but thank the Lord it's been a while since we've seen any bears close to us. There's a fella I worked with, his wife, a month or so ago, seen just down from our driveway a bear. That would be bad for our goats and everything. But dogs, but no, this here, I'll quit talking on here. Like I said, you can fix elbows or whatever you want, 90s in it there, and you can just fix where you want them to go. And really, in a garden, I've seen it before, we've never tried it. You can fix these down like a row where they'll keep them weeded out for you. Yeah, I know, it looks like we need one of them this year. Just some more ideas for you folks, and we'll be having a few more, and we'll have some upcoming videos there, cutting the corn, throwing that to the goats. And also, like these trees, take a pruner. We've got one that's on a long pole, reach up, cut the limbs. They love that there also. The way it's been raining, we ain't had a chance to do any of our second cutting hay yet. And I think they're giving, it's actually a little bit dry this evening, but they're giving rain like the next 7 or 8 days a chance. And but a lot of people's needing rain. Maybe this will get our groundwater build up. Now these two little goats here, they was bottle babies at the time, and for that day we had stuck them inside the chicken coop. Now they had, you know, room to run around out there in the chicken coop and the field for it there. We just had these tunnels, and they liked going out in it there. They was there for a couple days until we moved them over to the big barn. Folks, I'm going to let you go. Y'all have a great day. Let's see. Hey, y'all be seeing this on Friday. Y'all have a great Friday and a great weekend. And we'll see you Monday, Lord willing. And y'all have a blessed weekend. Y'all have a good one. Bye.